So it's Saturday, April 18th at 7:30 a.m. and Mommy had a great idea to vlog CJ's first birthday party. Today we're gonna celebrate via Zoom CJ's first birthday because his birthday falls on a Tuesday. A lot of our family and friends are still considered essential, and we are also considered essential, so it would be more difficult to celebrate this on a weekday. So we're gonna do it today, and I'm gonna vlog the day. So have fun with us. I think this about covers it. Clean downstairs because it's a disaster down here. Wrap presents, go through party supplies that I have for the party that was supposed to take place today. Buy balloons / cupcake, get CJ's outfit ready, get our outfit ready, set up Zoom, set up decorations, get ready, and then party. But first, coffee. Bye, baby. And she's got Mommy. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. You wanna go night-night? Yeah, you wanna go night-night. Ow, 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 ow. You wanna go night-night? We're gonna go lay down with Dada. Yeah. Dada. It's dark up here because everybody's still sleeping.
Oh shit, you were vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. Say what's up.
Say
what's up. This is Daddy.
This daddy.
Obviously, I'm gonna edit a lot of this out. So it's 11 o'clock and we are halfway, 11:15, halfway done with our to-do list. I went through the party supplies. I got CJ's outfit ready, which was very easy, and my outfit and Christian's outfit ready, which was easy because I had something already. And then I set up half of the decorations. When I come back with balloons and whatever else I might find, I'm gonna set those up as well. And now I'm going out to buy the balloons and the cupcake. And then when I come back, Christian's gonna set up the Zoom, and I'm gonna wrap the presents, and we're both gonna clean downstairs. So almost party time. So I just got out of the shower and got ready. Put CJ's shirt on. Mommy's little monster is turning 1. These are the balloons I got. Now I have to clean this disaster that I have going on in here. It's a virtual party, but you can't have a party, virtual or not, with a messy party room. So I'm gonna clean it. shot for CJ's birthday. His parents have to celebrate that they survived a whole year.
Duh.
Duh. That was our second one. The first one was way better. We are party ready.
Puppy.
Virtual party ready. CJ, come here, puppy. CJ. Hi, baby. It's your birthday. What are you doing over here? Come on. Come on. Back it up. Back it up. Are you stuck? Is that what you're doing? You're stuck. You're stuck. Come on, cutie. Come on. Yay! We're gonna celebrate his birthday from miles away.
Yeah.
Miles away, all over.
Yeah. All right.
One,
Two, three. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
¡Yay! ¡Que Dios te bendiga!
Aw, so we had a successful party. Mama took her shirt off because there was chocolate cake everywhere. Now, excuse me. Now baby's gonna go take a shower. Yay! Yay! I love you, baby. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, my love. Mama. Mama, make sure we brush your teeth because you had so much sweets, Papa. You had so much sweets. Good job, baby. You turned on the water for Mama. Don't step on it. So we didn't have any more Pampers upstairs, and my son decided to kneel down and pee on the floor. It was the funniest thing ever.
What did you do?
You can do whatever you want. It's your birthday celebration.
What did you do?